And I'm doing this segment called What I Eat in a Day with Pinkwilla. Well, I wish I were a person like that who ate a lot and never gained this thing. I drink water. I think I just bloat like this thing. So no, I'm not blessed with this great metabolism. I eat and I gain. So yeah. Yeah, well, when I wake up, I start my day with a black coffee because that helps me cleanse my stomach. So for breakfast, I myself make this omelette of 2 eggs with all the veggies inside. So it looks like, it tastes also like an uttapam, you know, it becomes like big with maybe dal or anything to go with. And then for lunch, I eat 1 chapati with sabzis and all that. So because I do not endorse or I do not eat junk, so yeah, I stick to my very rigid diet of, you know, eating home food, yeah. Well, I try that my last meal is around 7 or 8 because, you know, you have enough time to digest and then go to sleep. But then sometimes when I go out with my friends, yeah, my last meal goes on to be at 11. Yeah, so well, I initially, just until a few weeks ago, I was this Netflix watcher, you know, watching Netflix all night, all the series. But now I've become a good girl. I wake up at 6:30. I go to gyms at 7 a.m. So I did not know that I would be a girl like that because earlier I used to ask my friends, how do you wake up at 5:30 and go to a gym? So, but now I have transformed into this and I've realized that this is how it has to be, you know, if you have to take care of your health and if you look good. So yeah. I like Rajma Chawal, but I don't remember the last time I ate it because again, I like dal because, you know, that keeps me like stay normal. I like shawarma a lot, okay, so there's this place called Carter's Blue. I like their mushroom shawarma a lot. I can eat it at any time of the day. Since I have my shoot in the day, so there is no other option. I go to gym at 7 a.m. and I think that's the best time. My post-workout meal, okay, I have this carrot and beetroot juice right after my gym because there's this canteen, so I always love to have that. So meal, I don't know, I eat anything when I go home. So okay, I'll tell you this very silly thing about me. When there's an event and I have to perform or something, so I stop eating just a few hours before. So I'm always on dry fruit so that, you know, I don't get a bloat, and I'm very finicky about that. So, you know, just to stay thin and slim, I go on this dry fruit diet that you sort of call. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I'll tell you what, I don't understand what the cheat day is because I do not eat junk, right? So I don't hog on to foods like burgers and pizzas, like how people have their fetish, and I don't drink colas, so mujhe nahi pata, I don't know how do I cheat. So I end up eating more sometimes, but that'll be my food. So yeah, I have started working out like religiously, okay? I've become this very religious girl who can leave her shoot once but not gym because again, you know, I'm really, yeah, so it's gotten me addicted, and it's CrossFit. It's not even gym, it's functional that I'm doing. Cheat meal, I would love to eat Hakka noodles. You know, this Chinese is my favorite, but because of, again, various reasons of this and skin problems and issues, I had to abandon it. So I would love to eat a lot of Hakka noodles one day, you know, just go crazy with it. Okay, I will not lie, I have starved a lot once, you know, when I was a little younger than this, and when I was silly. So I used to starve a lot, so that was my way of staying thin. But again, I did not realize how big a mistake it was. It was affecting my health, it was affecting my skin and my hair. So the craziest diet that I've gone on is just, I used to starve, right? So that was, yeah, bad. I take care of my skin in a lot of ways. I have this, again, that's a doctor prescribed cleansing pads that come. So, you know, I take it for my skin and it does well. So you, like a proper skin regime, you know, because since we all girls, you know, especially we are in this business, so we put a lot of makeup, and then you have 12 hours, 18 hours going on. So it's very important to just go home. No matter how sleepy I am, I make sure that I remove my entire makeup and I just, you know, put a lot of cream before I sleep. So yeah, that's important. Because it is so hard to be here, it is so tough for us to even imagine where we would want to go. So this motivation comes from within, because, you know, a girl like me, I would never expect that I would be here. So from how I look to how I look today, you know, it's been a great journey, it's been a great transformation in my own life. I feel good, and from here, I know if I've reached this far, I want to look better, and you know, so that's motivation enough. Yeah. And
for lunch, I usually have I'm doing nachni rotis these days, which is amazing, super healthy, and tastes good too. And then I have various things. I love bhindi, I love a dal, I love aloo gobi. Like I said, I'm being vegetarian right now, so I'm telling you my menu these days. And then I always need dahi. I love having like raita. Achar is very, very important. Salad's very important. Now, when I'm in the US, I usually am not like a sandwich person. I don't like sandwiches, but I'll always do like a roast fish with like veggies. I love a good fresh salad. It's my favorite. Dinner is damn sad, but I always end up eating right before I go to bed, which is the worst thing to do. But dinner, I always start with a soup. I love having like a nice warm soup. And then same thing, what you have for lunch, I usually do for dinner. God, no, I can't rise early. I hate waking up early. I can stay up till 7 in the morning, but I don't wake me up early. Unless I'm working and I'm literally being paid to get up in the morning, I can't be bothered. My favorite cuisine is Indian, for sure. The time you feel like it, that's the best time to work out, because if you're not feeling like it, then you never will do it fully. Strict no-nos in my diet. Worms. Because I've tried them. It's a delicacy in many parts of the world. I decided not to do it ever again. Tequila. I think tequila is super healthy. Makhana, whenever I feel like eating munchies, I'm trying to do like, instead of popcorn, I'll go to a makhana. I'm a chaat hog. There it is. It's sitting right there. I just had chaat. I don't know if I'm Punjabi. I think Indians in general are foodies. So I don't know if it's specifically North Indian food, because I love South Indian food as well. My nani was Malayali, so fish curry and like curd rice and all of that is my jam as well. Dosas, that was my breakfast yesterday. My mommy makes the best egg dosas, so they're amazing. So I think I'm generally a foodie, like I'm a lover of food. So lifestyle changes, not having that much coffee. Like I used to have so much coffee. That's definitely helped. Hydration. That's something I never forget to drink water. I'm drinking water all the time, and to finish my bottle is about this big. My water bottle that I have, I try and finish at least like 7 or 8 of them in a day. That's very important. So guys, that's all I eat in the day. It's not much, but it was great talk. For lunch, I usually have I'm doing nachni rotis these days, which is amazing, super healthy and like tastes good too. And then I have like various things. I love bhindi, I love a dal, I love like aloo gobi. Like I said, I'm being vegetarian right now, so I'm telling you my menu these days. And then I always need dahi. I love having like raita. Achar is very, very important. Salad's very important. Now, when I'm in the US, I usually am not like a sandwich person. I don't like sandwiches, but I'll always do like a roast fish with like veggies. I love a good fresh salad. It's my favorite. Dinner is damn sad, but I always end up eating right before I go to bed, which is the worst thing to do. But dinner, I always start with a soup. I love having like a nice warm soup. And then same thing, what you have for lunch, I usually do for dinner.